Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard ended prematurely so you can install it without errors. First, restart your PC because temporary system issues can interrupt the installation process. Next, make sure you are running the setup file as an administrator to avoid permission problems during installation. After that, disable your antivirus or firewall temporarily because they can sometimes block the installer files. You should also download the latest version of the Epic Games Launcher from the official website to avoid corrupted or outdated setup files. Another important step is to install all pending Windows updates, since missing components can cause installation failures. If the issue continues, install or repair Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables, because they are required for the launcher to run properly. Also, make sure you have enough disk space available before installing. Finally, restart your PC and run the setup again, and the installation should complete successfully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.